The A letter for space use and lines. We have this on line. We have this going through the squares. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 that go through the squares. Okay. We have one line that goes through here that use up 2 spaces. So there's a lot of terminology for this. We also have 1 and 2 corners, which in the sky is not touched, but on the earth it is touched. So what we're going to do is try to get the total value of area space over here used. And the total value of area space used for A is a total of 8 spaces. That's what it's going to be. It's going to be a total of 8 spaces. Now there's many ways to look into this. So now it also looks like we're traveling. So we have 8. Inside of B, now how would you like to create B? Can we create B like this? Because that's the minimum number for B, right? Now the thing is, we cannot create the K from this. So the minimum number here is actually 2. Now when we go to C, C is 2. When we go to D, D is 2. When we go to E, now we run into a small problem. Okay, because everybody knows that the arm in the center of the E is smaller. So I will have to draw the E this way, and we will put the E as 4. When we draw the F letter, now the F, in order to square it off, although there's no letter over here, okay, if we cut it over here, we'd use 3, but there's an extra area over here, so we use 4. 3 plus 1 equals to 4, just like D. Okay, just like E. Okay, what is on line, what is area space not on line, what is through the line, we're not going to count that. We're just going to count squaring them off. Now we're going to go to G. Okay, since G does not come all the way back, and G comes only one step back, G is sometimes designed like this, but irregardless, we will do it this way, regardless. And that would be 4. Okay, when we go to H, the minimum number style for H, we will now get 2. The minimum number for 9 is a total of 4. Now the minimum number for J, okay, is 4. K is 2. L is 2. Now M can be done this way. But everybody knows it can also be done this way. But the minimum number can be 2 or 2. Which way do I do this L? I can't make this short and I can't make this on line. In order to keep it in conformity, M will be done this way, but it can be done this way. But we never see it done that way. So we're going to question ourselves, and I'm going to put 4. This is discrepanary, right? Discrepanary. MN, okay, can be done also as 4, but everybody knows that N is one letter that can be done in one area space. O can be done in one area space. P can be done in 2 area spaces. Elemental P, Q, okay. Everybody knows what Q, but in order to find the line that runs through the center, okay, Q can either be done like this, and it's also a question, and this also looks like it's coming from below and going right through. So Q can also be done, since it can be done that way, Q can also be done this way, but we can't find that half area space. We'd have to draw the line from the center. You must start from a real point of position, okay? So this can also be the Q, so where this is questionable. So the Q can also be used as 4. The Q can either be like this. Now, if it is like this, we'd have to square it off when we call it 2, 4, right? Or we call it 2, 4, 6, but we'd have to also use this area here. And now it looks like it's pyramid-like. Q. R can be done with 2. S can be done with 2. T must be done with 4. U can be done this way with 1. V is done with 2. W is done with 4. X is done with 1. Y, okay, because of the complete box, must be done with 4. And Z can be done with 1. So we have 1, 2, 4, and 8. And those are your numeric. And the questionable ones would be the Q. And the other questionable one, is there any other questionable ones? No. So what do you think about this alphabet? And all we use is 1, 2, 4, and only 8. Do I need to do this with the A? Can I do the A this way? How will I find a line in between here? Okay, I can't. The only way to find that line in between here is to create this and draw a bar from this side to this side. So we have X, A, 1, Raphael, and a simple alphabet count. Thank you for watching, but wait, we have to continue because O gets 1 and U gets 1, and that says, where are you? The 15th letter. Where else do we get 1? We get 1 with the N. We get 1 with the Z. Wow, we have an ounce. U, Z, O. Okay, we have the R. That gets 2. Well, they all get 2 now. We get B, C, D. We've got B, C, D, H, L, P, R, S, V, all get 2. They all get 1. The 4s, we get 4s on E, F, E, F, and G all get 4. We get I, which gets 4. We get J, right, which gets 2 and 2, 4. Did we do K over here is 4? No. K gets 2. We have to put K up here as 2. L gets 2. We did it. M, okay, which gets 2, but everybody knows that this one goes to the bottom, so M gets 4. Q, I don't know what to do with because of the line. T gets 4. W gets 4, and Y gets 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 letters. 10 times 2 equals to 20. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 9 times 4 equals to 36. Now we have 6 more letters, and the letters that are missing are A. The letters that are missing are Q. The letters that are missing, did we get Z over here? Yes, we did. We got Y. We're missing. We have to miss. There's 19 letters here, so we have to. We did K, J, K, S, T. Wow, I'm only getting 2 letters. I should have more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, and I forgot these. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right. So I got 4 times 1 equals to 4. Then I have 10 times 2 equals to 20. And then 9 times 4 is 36. So I get a total of 60. Is that correct? 60 I get. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 letters. 23 letters. I'm missing letters here still. 1, 2, 3, 4. 19, 23, 25 letters. What letter is missing? The X is not missing. Oh, the X is missing over here. So we get a total of 5 over here from the 1 section. 5 letters that can be done in 1 area. And we get 10 that's done in 2 areas. Now, don't forget, this is all questionable, hypothetical, because who knows this reality? Should it really be done this way, or should all the letters be exactly conform? Should an R actually be done like this? And this, since it has a backside, right, shouldn't it have a reflection, right, to its own letter? Then it would have its front side. So now I'd be asking that question. See the happy face because it's from ear to ear? Smile from ear to ear. Anyways, so now we have, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video.